Perfect. Perfect.
Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. So today y'all, I wanted to do a basic everyday makeup look. I know a lot of us don't get to go outside much, but we're getting into the habit of when we do go outside, we want to look a little more put together. You don't have to be full glam, you know, you just want to look a little more put together, which is totally fine. And I know a lot of us do wear makeup to work for whatever reasons that you feel like you need to or want to wear makeup to work. I personally have never worn makeup to work. So I was wondering, like, how much time are you supposed to give yourself in the morning to do your makeup? You know what I'm saying? Because personally, I like to sleep in as long as possible, child. I'll be tired. So I've never done that, but I wanted to challenge myself and get up like I was getting myself together for the day, for work, for whatever the day brings, and get myself together real quick. So like I said, I don't know how long it's supposed to take you to get ready for work in the morning as far as makeup goes. So I said I would give myself at least 15 minutes. Maybe 20. So I'm gonna start off with 15 minutes. So I'm actually going to set my timer for 15 minutes and try to do my makeup. So I'm gonna tell y'all what I'm using, of course, and why I like to use it, but I'm gonna kind of be moving through this a little fast, you know, because I gotta try to beat the clock. I'm scared. Okay, let's get started with primer. So I'm gonna use this one by Huda. This is Huda Beauty's Water Jelly. I'm gonna use this as my primer. I'm gonna use this one because it's supposed to be like really moisturizing. Now this one I haven't used. What I was using for my everyday makeup was the One Size Secure the Blur Primer by Patrick Starr. But that one is really blurring and not really as moisturizing. So I'm gonna try this one today. This one definitely feels like watery jelly. Doesn't really smell like anything, which is cool. Today we're gonna use this foundation by Fashion Fair. This is their cream to powder foundation. So that's why I want to use this, because I really don't have to set it. Once you put it on, it's kind of on and it's kind of set. So I'm gonna go in with this one, and this is in the shade Stormy Sand. So how many of you guys do actually wear makeup to work, or you just like to wear makeup every day just to keep yourself looking nice and put together? And if you do wear makeup to work in the morning, like how much time do you guys give yourself to get ready? It's like we have a nice basic everyday coverage. It's like good. Like I really do like this, and like I said, it's pretty much already set. So I'm gonna go in with concealer. I'm gonna use this one by Anastasia, and this is their Magic Touch concealer in the shade 11. I like to use this one for everyday makeup because it is really close to my skin tone. It oxidizes when you put it on, so it does get a little darker. Like this concealer, I think it blends out well, and I've used it over multiple foundations, and it blends pretty good over every foundation that I've used so far. So this is a good concealer, nice coverage, not too much but just enough, like, you know. I'm gonna go in with a new product that I've been using, and this is by Rare Beauty. This is their new bronzer stick, and I really like this for everyday makeup or one of those no makeup type of days. It's not like the fullest coverage in the world, but it's just enough to give you like a little more coverage or a little more color to your face. So I'm not contouring today. I'm just using this bronzer stick just to add some color. And I'm gonna go in with this new powder by Rare Beauty. I've been using this a few times and I do like it. One of the things I love about this powder is the undertone of it. I have the shade light medium, and it does have like a pinky undertone, which really helps for my under eye area. Like I said, you don't have to set this foundation, but if you feel more comfortable setting it, you can just take, you know, whatever remaining powder that you have and just kind of go over your face. So I do want to go in with some blush to kind of give me a little more color, and I'm going to go in with this one by MAC. This is their Extra Dimensions blush, and I got this in the color Into the Pink. And I'm using this really bright pink color because I really want like a nice flush, just a flush on my cheeks. This one also has like a kind of highlighter quality to it, so if you're a person that you want blush but you don't want to do highlighter, this would be nice because then you don't have to do highlighter. So I'm just gonna put that right on my cheeks just to give us some color. Now I don't know about you guys, but when I'm doing a brow routine, it takes like another extra 10-15 minutes to do brows. So I skipped my brows today, and I'm just gonna go in with this tinted brow gel by Kosas. This is their Brow Pop, and I have mine in the shade Black. And I'm just gonna go over my brows just to kind of darken them up a little bit, not doing the most because this is just an everyday look. So we don't have to do full glam brows. Just go ahead and tint these a little bit. In with some eyeliner. I still want some eyeliner, and I'm going to use this one by Patrick Ta. I really like this eyeliner because it does stay on pretty good, like for a long period of time, and if we're going to work, we want something that's going to last all day. I'm just going to go in with this one. This is by Milk Makeup, and this is their Hydro Set and Refresh Spray, and I'm just going to go ahead and use this to set. I do like that setting spray. It does give you a slight dewy look. It's still wet, it's not completely dry, but it does give you like a little bit of a dewy look, which I love, especially in the colder months. You don't look so dry and powdery. So now I'm going to go in with my mascara, and I'm going to use this one by Milk Makeup. This is their Kush mascara, and I'm going to go ahead and put this on my lashes. Okay, you guys, there's our timer. Time is up. So we did all of this in 15 minutes. I mean, if you don't want to do anything further, then you wouldn't have to. You can get your clothes on and head out the door. Now, I'm a little extra. I do want to put on some lashes. Of course, I have my lip here too, of course. But I do want to put on some lashes. So I'm going to give myself an extra 5 minutes. Say we did 20 minutes altogether. So I'm going to give myself an extra 5 minutes, throw on some lashes and my lip. So I'm going to give myself 5 more minutes. So hopefully you guys will say that you spent 20 minutes doing your makeup in the morning, but I'm going to give myself an extra 5 minutes. But we did get done in 15 minutes for basically everything. Okay, you guys, there's our timer. Here's our look. Let me go change and we'll be back throwing the lip. 20 minutes. So this is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys love it. Before I do a recap of the products and why I use them for today's everyday makeup look, I'm going to talk about today's fragrance, and we are going to be wearing Gucci Guilty Pour Femme. This is the Eau de Toilette, so this is perfect for daytime because it's not too strong. Great for work, everyday shopping. You can even wear this to brunch because it is still a really nice fragrance. Love the way it smells, love the way it makes me feel, and I'm just ready for the day when I spray this on. If you've been watching me on Instagram, then you've seen that this is one of my perfumes for January. I did do a video with my January perfume tray, so if you did not see that video, I will link it for you. But this is the fragrance of the day. Now let me go ahead and recap our makeup for today and why I used what I used, just in case I didn't explain it good enough, you know, throughout the video. So first and foremost, let's start off with the primer. I use this one by Huda, and I do like it. My makeup is sitting really nicely, and I like this because it is moisturizing. So if you're using a foundation that's not super moisturizing or a little bit drying, a little bit too mattifying for you, then you want to go in with a hydrating primer, and this one is nice and hydrating. I do like this. For foundation, I've told you guys I've used this a few times by Fashion Fair, and I have really been enjoying this, especially for everyday makeup. You put it on and it's set, honey. It's there, it's ready to go. You don't have to put any powder over it if you don't want to. It does still give me like a nice, somewhat like soft matte, a little bit luminous type of look. So I really do like it. Even when it sets down, it's not like super dry looking. So I do like this. I do want to try their foundation stick as well, and I think this combination was really good together. I feel like I looked really nice and healthy and like somewhat dewy, but not overly dewy, but that's perfect for this cold weather. Like I said, I've really been enjoying this Anastasia concealer for a while now, and I really like this shade because it's really closer to my skin tone. So this is definitely great for everyday makeup. It's not brightening under the eyes too much like you're trying to do full glam. So this is perfect for work, just everyday shopping, brunch, whatever. So I do like this, and that's the reason why I like this shade for me. This bronzer stick by Rare Beauty is perfect for everyday makeup. It's not too much, it's not doing the most. You're not like super bronze, like you've been kissed by the sun type of bronze like that. Like it's just really subtle, but still gives you some nice color on your face. So I've been loving this, and it just blends out like a dream, even over powdered. Like it blends out so well, so seamlessly. Like I have been loving this. Same thing with this Rare Beauty powder. Like this has been the only powder that I've been reaching for since I got it. Like I really like this powder. I love the way it blends into my foundation. I love the pink undertone. It just really neutralizes the look for me, and then on top of any makeup that I've used it on, it blends in seamlessly, doesn't look too powdery, especially when you hit it with your setting spray. This brow pop is perfect for everyday makeup, just to, you know, darken your eyebrows a little bit. You're not doing the most, you're not doing a whole brow routine, especially when you don't have time to do all that, or you really just don't want to do all that, but you want your brows to look a little more put together and polished. So love this for that. It has a little bit of hold, nice color payoff. Just, it's really light, but does what it's supposed to do. This Kush mascara is really nice. I've been using this for a while now, and I really do enjoy this. I love the heavy like packaging. It's kind of weighted. The mini is perfect for me, and this is like a kind of a wetter formula. It's between wet and dry, but I would say it's more on the wetter side. I'm really gonna like it when it dries out a little bit more, but I like this. I think it separates my lashes good. If I didn't want to wear false lashes, I don't have to with this, so I did love that. But you know, I like the, you know, the icing on the cake. This blush by MAC was perfect. It just gave me a nice pop of color on my cheeks. It wasn't too much. Y'all know I love blush, so I can go in with blush and just make it like really and blow it out, like, because I love blush. But this was perfect for every day. It just gave me that nice pop of color, and with it having that like sheen to it, I don't have to wear highlighter or anything like that. So this was perfect. The Milk Makeup setting spray I do like I said, it does give you somewhat of a dewy type of look. I love that look, especially in the colder months. Of course, I still wear my mattes, you know, in the colder months as well, but sometimes I want to look nice, healthy, dewy, refreshed, but not glowing to the gods. This is a really good setting spray for that. So I feel like, you know, I have some luminosity to me, but it's not doing too much. It's not doing the most, especially when you're out there in that cold, girl. You don't look ashy and dry. Lastly, I did not tell you guys what I have on for my lip. For my lip, I have this liquid matte in the color Salem from Lime Crime. I have been wearing Lime Crime for years. Love that brand. I really wear their liquid mattes, and I love them. These are on the drier side, so if you don't really like, you know, dry liquid matte lips, then I would say go for this one by Milani. This is just a lipstick, and this is in the shade Sensual, and this is a nice brown lippy. I've worn this in a video before. I think it was the last one that I did a twist style. I'll leave it in the cards for you guys. But if you like lipstick, this is a beautiful brown to wear, especially this time of year. So of course I have everything that I used today linked down in the description box, including my fragrance. So thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed my everyday makeup look. Please like, comment, share, and of course subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.